B8. Alright, the truck's ready to go. Sounds amazing as well. So let's get out of here. Can't believe we're taking this for painting already. Come on, mate. Move on, move on, move on. Woo! Look at that. Here we go again, guys. We got a B8. So we're picking the truck now and we're gonna take it down to Ben's. Polish perfection, absolutely amazing paint. I'm gonna leave the links underneath description of the video, and then you can go and have a look at his work. What an absolutely amazing painter he is. And the other thing is, I'm giving him my keys over to him for him to go and do whatever he wants with it. So everything that's gonna happen, the only thing that is my idea or that I said that I like is the color of the truck. Other than that, I just gonna be like, hi Ben, how's it going? Here are the keys, thank you, do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. So we have arrived now in Morgan's. All right. How is this one? Hold on. Oh well. It's very sunny today as well. So we're basically already getting ready.
Basically what?
We're gonna go down to.
It's just underneath Oswestry.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to Polish Perfection. Performance? No, Perfection.
Polish Perfection and Performance.
Okay. Jesus, Ben, why did you choose such a long name? You know how difficult you make it for us. Anyway, gonna go down to Ben. He's the one choosing all the colors, like I said before. He's the one, like, Ben, there you go. That's the keys for the B8. Do whatever you want.
He knows what he's doing.
Like, I'm gonna leave the link here. Go and see his work and what he has done before. Absolutely amazing. Hand the keys in, but we need to fuel up now.
Yeah, I want my credit card ready.
Yeah, we're not gonna.
How much is it?
I'm only gonna put like 200 quid.
Only 200.
Yeah,
it's just a little 200.
Well, it's not like 600 like you normally put in a truck anyway. And I got 2 tanks as well. That will be expensive to fill up. Should we go? Driving away, we need to fill them up. This is the first time I'm gonna put some fuel in it myself. So we already got in the truck now. I'm just gonna do my daily checks because the truck has been packed up for about a week. Even though that it's been done all the proper stuff, everything has been done, I still need to do the light checks as every day you do. So let's press this button here. So just checking all the lights. Obviously just press that and they just start flashing up. There we go. I know on this one, on the top ones, one of the LED lights on that side is not working for some reason. It's something that we need to get a hands on. Backlights and all that. We need to fuel up this tank as well. Lights at the back are working. Let's get it. And the phone is going off because I already took my 15 to be able to drive before getting out. So let's start the speakers and get out of here. Alright, the truck's ready to go. Sounds amazing as well. So let's get out of here. Come on, let's go then. Oh yes, driving the B8 again. Can't believe we're taking this for painting already. And the best thing is gonna be when we finish it and then we get them on the road. That is gonna be the time of our lives. All right, let's just get out of here. I go and fuel up this, and then we'll be able to get out. So, ping, ping. I should have brought gloves, but I didn't. So, anyway. All right, just put 200 quid that, and we've gonna find out how much fuel it actually gonna consume from here to down to where we're going. The thing is, I'm gonna go and pay for this now, and then to be on the way to Ben's. Sure. All right. Hi mate. You all right? Yeah, not too bad. All right, just grab myself a coffee before we get back on the destroyer. Let's get in there. Let's get to where Ben is. So let's go. Woo! That's a half a tank straight away for 200. So I will say with 500 pounds we can fill one tank. That should be more than all right. This bacon needs a proper clean out as soon as I get the tank. I don't like getting on it when it's like this. So anyway, so let's get going. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. Woo! All right, this is different. Oh la la. Come on, mate, move on, move on, move on. That's it, that's it, that's it. That's it, la cosa. So we're gonna carry on straight and then we're gonna turn, which is the easiest way to get out. But what the sat nav is telling us right now, like trucks don't go past here whatsoever, you can tell, because the branches are too low and everything is too low. So let's try to get out of here as quick as we can. Ah, traffic, 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 traffic. Hopefully these people are not getting diverted as well, even though the accident wasn't that road. Unless them people are going on that road as well. So, okay, so right away here, and we're turning right. Nearly there now. Wow. Woo! Look at that. Wow, Ben, honestly, you live in one of the most beautiful places that I have been so far. Wow. Oh, look at the Jeeps as well. Jeep. Just to refresh your memory, we're driving to Ben's shop right now and we're gonna drop their truck. I'm gonna leave the link of his shop in here. Like, I'm gonna leave his TikTok, I'm gonna leave everything, all the social media that he owns. So he's gonna be able to talk to you if you want to like get anything done and stuff like that, so you can talk directly to him. But it's amazing around there, like amazing. All right, let's get there now. All right, we have arrived now. Oh, the doors are opening to get in. Let's go, let's go. 20 minutes. I know, we just made a preview now and then we ended up coming to the wrong place. The missus is just going now to the car. We made a preview. Sorry, this is not the address, so we're gonna have to go back up and just gonna lead the way now. And she was leading the way anyway, but we used the wrong postcode. I'm gonna leave you the postcode here for Ben's shop. So if you wanna go and do your painting stuff, this is the right postcode. So that is what you're doing. Follow the postcode and it's gonna take you to straight to the paint shop straight away. All right, we have arrived. Oh yes! Say something, baby.
Hi, TRUCKINGUK.
Ah, hello. Just putting full beans on. Yeah.
Where are we?
Here we are in Ben's shop in Polish Perfection. So, all right, let's just performance perfection. Oh, there you go. We got it right. We got it right at the end. It's back here. Okay.
Behind you.
Anything on what it is.
All right, listen. That's the truck there. We have arrived in Ben's shop. Here we are.
I do.
So
I'll get it one day.
We're gonna get him up to speed with the truck. So I'm giving Ben the keys right now, and he's like, look at the state of it. Absolutely horrendous. What's your opinion on how it is, the paint shop?
What, the way it is now?
Yeah, right now.
Apart from being an colour straight.
I like this.
I gotta beep
Green's
that.
a bad look, colour green is.
I agree. So that's the truck. Have a last look at it. Have a really good look at that man there. I'm gonna hand in the keys. So you can tell that that's the keys. That's yours, Ben.
Thank you.
You do whatever you want with it. It's up to you what you do. You do what you want there. Like, honestly, anything. So, do what you want. So, in your head right now, what are you thinking? Pretty much everything then. Right.
All lights, underglow.
Yeah.
Get rid of that them work lights, put perimeter kit on it.
You're gonna go crazy
Better
on this.
Susie bar.
You're gonna go crazy on this.
Catwalk, yeah.
Nothing to do. When this is done, Ben is responsible for everything there. I just told you what color. Just do what you need to do with it. You know, like one of the panels on the side is changing.
Yeah, this one.
Just have a look at it. Let's go on.
That definitely needs replacing.
Is that not cannot be fixed? I know, like it's go without it, but can.
It can, yeah, but it'll never. It's not a lasting repair. For the sake of it, it's
better changed.
Yeah, it'll last instead of
just putting the same one. Yeah. Oh,
It's,
yeah.
but the whole lot's gone on it. It's not. It's not worth. I'll find a second-hand one. From what I can see on it, on the videos and that, there's not. It's just that one air kit. The rest of it's.
And you say the bumper, the front can be fixed.
Yeah, front bumper, that crack. It's.
I know it's nothing to do with me. He's gonna do all the work. Like honestly, you just don't ring me. You just do whatever you want with it. Just.
Is there any particular colour combinations you don't
Do
like?
whatever you want. Honestly. Oh, you listen. But you need to remember, this is gonna be your name on this.
It'll stand out. It's just I don't want to put the different.
You just do whatever you want. Honestly, I seen your jobs.
I'll retube the 2 centres. That one.
That one at the corner.
Yeah, that's getting retubed, and then it'll be straightened, repainted to whatever colour they want for the next one. And I can't remember what colour.
So basically, if I got a ball bar in my vehicle and I have a crash,
Yeah, it can be repaired.
and you do the painting as well, obviously.
Do the painting, all the tubing we get in.
What happens in here?
Don't walk in there when I'm painting. It causes a big rift. No, you don't walk. Too much contaminations, it's not worth the risk. People can come in if they're clean, grease-free, and they're wearing a paint suit.
Can we go in?
Yeah, there's no painting going on. There's a bumper
Can I go
in there.
first?
Thank you. There's a bumper in here.
Ben's gonna be doing my truck. It's not mine right now, it's his. I give him the keys. You do whatever you want with it.
Yep.
I don't want a phone call. Please don't call me. Call me for anything you want, but if it's something to do with the truck, honestly, it's on you that.
Right, yep.
It's on you on that. That is his responsibility. He's gonna do what he wants, and the outcome of that, everybody's gonna see is gonna be your name on it. Guys, I'm gonna leave everything here. I'm gonna leave the link, I'm gonna leave the address. Ben's the one doing everything, nothing to do with me. He's gonna be doing it, and hopefully after that, we might end up going to a truck show as well. You're gonna be there as well.
Yep. We've got to do that.
You gotta do that.
Gotta do that.
So anyway, I'm gonna cut it here, and just thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, man.